there you are. Listen, I have a dog in my room.
What is it doing here?
Well, I'm watching it for some friends who went out of town. Wait. Hello, my name is Clunkers. May I please stay with you nice people? I understand you to stay here, but Chandler's allergic.
Extremely allergic, okay? If I am anywhere near a dog for more than 5 minutes, my throat will just close up.
That's odd, because this dog's been living here for the past 3 days.
Really?
Chandler, if the dog has been here that long and you haven't had a reaction, maybe you're not allergic to this dog.
Well, it still has to go, right?
Why?
Okay, it's,
Don't do it!
Don't do what?
I have to, okay? It's time. Okay, I hate dogs.
What? Crazy!
I told you.
They are needy, they are jumpy, and you can't tell what they are thinking, and that scares me a little bit.
Right, they are scary.
Ah, she just ate a treat out of my hand!
Wait a minute, do you not like all dogs? I mean, not even puppies?
Is there a puppy here?
You don't like puppies?
Okay, you are new.
Look, Chandler, I told you, never tell anyone about this dog thing. It's like Ross not liking ice cream.
You don't like ice cream?
It's too cold.
Okay, just the dogs make me a little uncomfortable.
Where's my key?
Now, I don't want to say this, I don't want you guys to hate me, but I don't think I can be around that dog anymore, okay? So either the dog goes or I go. Oh, my God!
I'm gonna take Clunkers to Ross's. We'll be back in a minute.
Okay, Phoebe, we should probably go back now.
Please don't leave me. I'll be lonely.
Stop it. Stop. Okay, let's go. Oh, we can be strong.
Yeah.
Oh my God, did you hear that? She said Monica! I can't leave her.
You know, if you want, we could sneak the dog back in and Chandler wouldn't even know.
That's not gonna work.
I've had that dog there for 3 days and Chandler had no idea. He's not so smart.
Hey, I didn't know either.
Yeah, but you kind of knew that something was going on.
Yeah.
Where's Chandler?
Here I am.
Wash your hands!
Yeah, I can be a hero. I can do that. I can do that. What if it attacks me?
Chandler, it's like a big gerbil.
And that doesn't scare you?
Is Chandler here?
No, he went for a walk.
Okay, well, you cannot tell him, but look who's back.
No. He went over to Ross's to